Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, Realty, part of the Johnson Group here in beautiful Savannah, Georgia. And today we're going to be talking about the new community out in Rincon. It's called Longleaf by DR Horton. I'm just going to kind of show you that with Sarah Magaro. But first we're going to actually go over the market stats for Savannah, Pooler, Richmond Hill, the three hottest markets in our area. And if you get any value from this video, do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family looking to buy a home. They may want to know what the stats are in the area, so this will keep them up to date really easily. So let's just go right into the stats. All right, first we're going to be talking about the median home sales prices in our area. So in Savannah, March 2023, the median home sales price was $320,000. This year, $379,950, up by 18%. In Pooler, it was $376,000 last year. This year, $374,745. It's about the same, a little bit higher, okay? In Richmond Hill, it was $372,495. This year, $443,900. All right, we're up massively. All right, new listings. In Savannah, last year was 425 new listings on the market. This year, 438, up by 2%. In Pooler, it's 81 homes, new listings on the market last year. This year, 90, up by 10%. And last year in Richmond Hill, it was 117 homes on the market this year, or new homes on the market this year, 107. We're down by 9%. All right, now, so let's talk about homes for sale. So last year in March in Savannah, there's 666 homes for sale on the market. This year, 922, up by 38%. So it looks like homes are staying on the market longer, which we'll get to. And there's just more houses coming to the market, which is great for the buyers. This should help to bring home prices down. Okay, the more homes that are on the market, less competition, it's gonna be good. So I'm glad to see that there's a lot more homes on the market right now. Last year in Pooler in March, it was 154 homes on the market. This year, 196, up by 26%. Another good sign. And last year in Richmond Hill, there's 278 homes for sale on the market. This year, 235, down by 16%. Next, we're gonna be going over closed sales. So last year in Savannah, there's 365 closed homes. This year, 294, up or down by 19%. In Pooler last year, 77 homes closed. This year, 78, we're up by 1%. Last year in Richmond Hill is 82 homes closed. This year, 83, up by 1%. Now let's go over days on market. So in Savannah, last year was 30 days on market to sell your home. Now days on market is gonna be how long your home stays on the MLS. So as soon as you list it with a real estate agent, they put it on the MLS and they start advertising it to the day you close. So that's the days on the market, all right? So last year, Savannah, 30 days on the market. This year, 42 days on the market, up by 40%. In Pooler, last year was 33 days on the market. This year, 29 days on the market, down by 12%, that's great. And in Richmond Hill, last year was 43 days on the market. This year, 36 days on the market, down by 16%. So that's also great. Now we're gonna go over price per square foot. Now price per square foot is your Zestimate. This is basically taking all of the area, combining it together, and coming up with an average price per square foot all across these areas. Now, if you own a home in here and you're trying to figure out, well, what's the value of my home, right? Take this number, multiply it by your square footage if you live in these areas, and it's gonna give you a ballpark. If you want a real answer, give me a call at 912-657-3544. You know I got your back. So I'll do a CMA for you. So hey, check this out. Last year, price per square foot in Savannah, $196 per square foot. This year, $218 per square foot, up by 11%. In Pooler, $173 per square foot last year. This year, $185, up by 7%. And last year in Richmond Hill was $170 per square foot. This year, $195 per square foot, up by 15%. So as you can see, the price per square foot's all been going up, which means basically, you know, with home prices going up, hold on, let me just double check my math here. Home prices all gone up, price per square foot all gone up. Oftentimes that means is smaller houses for more money. Kind of where we're at in the market right now, unfortunately. But the thing is that, you know, the Fed is gonna try and drop interest rates before the election. And this is just gonna happen. All right, so they're projecting that it's gonna be a July drop of interest rates. Okay, and if you're not aware of the interest rates right now, a conventional loan is going to cost you 7%. It's 7.01%. Now I'm getting this information on Mortgage News Daily. So what Mortgage News Daily is, basically they take the average across the country. If you have a decent credit score and you're putting 20% down, and they come up with these rates. So like I said, the conventional is at 7.01. The FHA is at 6.45, and the VA is now a 6.46. So that's the average for the country. It's a 30-year fixed mortgage. So if you have any questions about that. But now, let's go to Longleaf with Sarah Magaro. Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, XP Realty, part of the Johnson Group, out here at Longleaf in Rincon. New community by DR Horton. I'd love to introduce you to Sarah Magaro from DR Horton, obviously.
Yes, that's me. Thank you.
She's gonna be talking about what's going on in this community. It's, you know, how many houses are gonna be coming up, starting prices and all that kind of stuff, different floor plans. So let's just, you want to walk us through here and just talk about it? Actually, let's just walk around and talk about it.
Yeah, we can definitely do that. So
let's walk around and talk about it.
What do we got going on here? So around the loop, so when we go through, we'll take a look. We got a nice pond view, but around our loop, we're gonna have our 3.2s. That's gonna be our Lewis and Curtis plan. Price point starting at $296 and $305. So we still got some in the twos here. You'll see we've got a lovely pond that you overlook coming out of these homes. We got a nice angel oak here. We're gonna have some picnic tables, a nice common area set up for everyone in the community. As you look to the outer points of the community, we have some already up right here. That's where we're gonna have our larger floor plans. So we've got our Roby, our Carrie, and our Elston. These 4s and 5s.
These went up really quick.
Yes. So
I mean,
we are efficient here at DR Horton.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
When I first came out here, it was a flat piece of land. That was about, what, 2 months ago, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now
about 4 or 5 weeks ago now.
So you were saying that the smaller, the cottage lines are going to go around the pond, right? And then on the outside, they're going to have all of these, right?
Yes. Yep, that's it right there. So we've got, it's got a nice setup to it. So in phase 1, we have 93 homes, and then in phase 2, we'll have about 25 homes pushing more towards the back here.
So it's like not a huge, super huge community. It's just
right. It's right in the
just
middle,
about
right?
the right size,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Walkable. You guys
exactly.
gonna do sidewalks in here?
Yeah. So we'll have a sidewalk going in, continuing around on this side of the street here. So that's what will take you all the way around the loop. So great place to be able to walk the kids, the dogs.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I think a lot of people want, you know, the safety of an enclosed neighborhood like this, where people are not going fast, and then, but you also have the sidewalks, so I think it's super important.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yes, absolutely. So we're really excited that we'll have our first set of homes here. End of May, early June.
Close?
Yes. Yep. So we're shooting for May, June to close on some of these here. So
May,
we
June.
do have a handful available, a handful already sold. So there's still a couple still in the twos that need scooped up. So if you're considering, come on out and let's take a look and see what we can do for you.
You know, I had some people looking in Rice Hope, but this might be another option for them. I mean, it's not that far from Rice Hope. In Rincon, and then you're closer to Rincon, which is good. Kind of out of the traffic, which I deal with. I live in Rice Hope, so.
Yeah, you're kind of tucked away back here, and we do fall under South Effingham School District.
Oh, that's another great
thing.
thing.
For the elementary, middle, and the high school. So
yes.
We've had a lot of people wanting to, you know, come here just for that alone. And with our price points, they're pretty great.
Yeah.
And along those same lines, we're offering $8,500 in closing costs if you work with DHI Mortgage. So
when is that good for?
Throwing out the incentives. Right now it's running through March, but I'm hoping we can get that extended through.
I'm sure that's going to happen, right?
I'm thinking so, because everything's still in introductory pricing. So that's the other thing too, is this is all introductory right now. So if you have any little bit of interest or you're thinking about it, definitely come and stop out and see.
So let me ask you a question real quick. So what is your guys', I mean, I know you guys can talk about, they can do Builder Foward rates on this one too, right?
So we're almost there. We're almost there with getting the BFC locked in. It's one of those things where we got to really have those closed deadlines, you know, nailed down. The houses, most of these are almost halfway through construction. So that's what we really need, is just a little bit more time to get them built up so that we can put that in place.
Right, awesome.
But we do buy
awesome.
downs and things we do as well.
Heck yeah, that's awesome.
And you're in a USDA territory.
Yes.
So I've had quite a few people inquiring about that, and our lenders are really great about working that out as well.
Right,
so,
if you're not familiar with USDA, that's 0 down payment. So you don't have to come in here with a down payment, and then they pay all your closing costs, so your deposit gets put right back to you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, pretty much, and it's right now $3,500 to put money down to get.
$3,500 for a
$3,500 to get
deposit.
a
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. So I just want to thank Sarah for walking me through the neighborhood. It's brand new, so I was really excited to kind of see what was going on. And come out here, check it out. Give me a call if you have any questions. 912-657-3544. Sarah, if they want to get a hold of you personally.
Yes, you can reach me at 717-554-0072.
All right, fantastic. And then if you call me, I'll get you in touch with DHI. Sarah will do the same, and then you guys get qualified, and we'll be in a new home, and you'll be done by May, June, right before the school starts. So that'd be great. And thank you all for watching. Talk soon. Bye.